What is happening, everybody? Hey, we are heading down to round 5, Old Gray, the GNCC. Brand new venue this year. Pretty pumped about this one. It's not too local for us. I mean, it's about 3 hours away, but we're very familiar with this kind of terrain in this area. We actually practice probably about really 30 minutes from here. So this is going to be pretty cool to see how this turns out. Got some pretty nasty weather this entire last week, nothing but rain. We got some rain and stuff last night too. So supposed to be gorgeous though, mid 70s, high 70s this weekend. We're gonna go down here now. We're about an hour out and watch some of the quads race, catch the pro quads, and then we will be back up there Sunday morning, bright and early, getting ready for our race. So we do have the 250F with us. We are running the 250F on this with the big bore kit, the 275 race. So let's see what we can get done. Only thing I'm really expecting to do on this one is finish it. That's it. We're just trying to finish this bad boy. So anyway, we'll catch you guys here in just a few. All right, track walk. We got some trajectory changers, baby.
Yeah, I found the wood for your next cabin.
Cabin wood. Got some more roots. Turn left at the Yeehaw and hey, what's happening? Hey y'all, hey, before we jump into this footage, just want to kind of give you guys a little bit of a recap here too, so you guys know what's coming up. Yes, this was a brand new GNCC. If anybody watches any of the Racer TV footage that gets thrown out as far as the coverage goes, it was 9.8 miles per lap, which isn't very long for a GNCC. However, this was very, very old school GNCC. This was very technical. A lot of folks said that even miles 1 through 5.5, 6 were very national enduro style. So it definitely was an endurance race, that's for darn sure. Probably one of the most challenging tracks that I've ever raced or attempted to race and ride with the 250F. So again, guys, yes, this was with the 250F. It did not make it the entire time. Bike didn't break down, nothing like that. However, I did bend my right fork and my front rim is bent. We did kind of give it the beans there, man. We full sent it. As far as placement, just we didn't get to finish. We didn't get a DNF. We just didn't get to complete all the laps for the entire 2 hours. So unfortunately, we walked away with, I believe, 18th. regardless, I think in the class, I haven't looked it up yet, but I believe there was 30 something people in there. So for not finishing though, or getting to complete all the laps, let's say, I did cross the finish line. You guys are going to see as far as some of the highlights from it. We're going to get into some of the, you guys will get to see some of the up close and personal with the, as far as some of the pros and stuff like that running through here. You guys will get to see that. But I appreciate y'all as always. Stay tuned on the new bike as well. We've got a new edition coming in, hopefully probably in the next about week and a half or so. And in the meantime, we've got another ride scheduled. I cannot do the Sprint Enduro next weekend due to the bike is out of commission, obviously. Got to get some parts and stuff ordered for that. But we do plan to ride the week after that. If the bike is up and running, we'll ride it then. If not, we'll be on the new bike. You guys will get a reveal video for that. But anyway, I appreciate y'all. Enjoy the footage, and thank you as always.
Come on! Take it out, Jake!
Get him, dude! Go, Brent! There he is. Get it, boy! Let's go! Let's go! Get him, Stu! Get him!
He's at first!
Stu took over! Let's go, Stu! Oh shit, I wonder if Stu pitted.
He's first.
Oh, if he didn't pit.
Yeah, that's it.
I don't think he pitted. Let's go, Jordan! Wait, no. That's not correct.
You pick first?
There's no way. No. Thank you. That was my turn. That was my blow off valve. Let's go, Stu! Jump. I'm thinking it. Hey, this guy that ran over you. Let's go, Stu!